Hi everyone, it's Allison, here to show you a Flow Mini tip of the day. Today's tip of the day is Comfort Access. If you own a Mini with Comfort Access, then you're able to keep the keys in your pocket, your purse, your bag, or anywhere else that's convenient to you, and use the button on the driver's side or passenger side door to unlock and lock your vehicle. You're also able to set this so that it can just do driver's side door only when you press the unlock button, or it will open up all of your doors by the unlock button. Have you ever parked your Mini and forgot to roll up the windows when you got out? Well, if you have Comfort Access, here's a great feature for you. All you have to do is press the button on the driver's side door to lock it and hold it while you're doing so. What it will do is roll up all of your windows and your sunroof if you forgot to close them. So, just like this. Easy, now that the car is locked, you're able to walk off, your windows are closed, and you're good to go. If you would like to learn more, you can download the Mini Motorer's Guide from the App Store to your mobile device. Also, you can come and take a test drive or see me at Flow Mini Winston-Salem.